Hello, this is Matt, and this is a review of who's going to win the USB microscope. I made a video shouting out Coins and Coffee, and in my video I said if you go there and then come back and make a comment stating that you made a comment and you subbed, then I would run a random picker for the USB. So I've copied the link. I have it here. I'm going to filter duplicates. Get comments. It says there's 20. So let's see who the winner is. Silver Unicorn. I subbed to Coins and Coffee. Thanks for the heads up. That is perfect. That's the perfect comment. So Silver Unicorn, the USB microscope is yours. I'll put a comment to you stating just send me your address by email and then I will send that out to you. Alright guys, that's all I have. See ya. Happy New Year, and I'll see you on Coins and Coffee on his January 1st winner announcement. See you there.